Sons of the silent age, stand on platforms, blank looks and notebooks, sitting back rows of city limits.
Check, check, check.
Oh yeah, let's check our
one,
mics.
two. Check 1, 2.
Check 1, 2.
Check 1, 2.
Check 1, 2.
How's the audio?
Oh, it's pretty good.
Hey everybody, BOOZHOO. And welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast. Alright, here we go. Check, check, check. Should I start the audio over? I don't even need to. BOOZHOO! Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons. I'm the creator of the show. And today's episode is another sort of behind the scenes, or I don't know, a little different today. Today, I'd like to talk about Mixed Blood. Mixed Blood is a book I wrote and illustrated a few years ago. Man, it's probably been going on 10 years now. But it's a book about a mixed blood. A Wisakode Winini. Wisakode Winini. A Wisakode Winini is a person of mixed ancestry in Ojibwe. Wisakode Winini. And this is a story of a little girl whose ancestry, her father's a vampire and her mother's an elf. And I'm just gonna randomly read a passage from Mixed Blood by me. Okay, we open up. Here is Lilith. This is Amix's half-sister. Lilith's a full-blooded vampire. And Tina is the elf mother. And Tina says to Lilith, "Lilith, my dear," Tina began. Lilith swung around and bending down to meet her stepmother's eyes screamed, "This is all your fault, Tina. He never would have given up blood if not for you." Oh, they're talking about the dad. Vladimir got up out of bed and shouted, "That's enough! I went vegetarian for my own reasons. I knew the risks. Your mother never asked me to do this." "She's not my mother," Lilith shot back. "And if you hadn't married an elf, you never would have given up on being a vampire." "My darling daughter, I know you are upset, but we've been through this all 100 times before," Vladimir said calmly. "Now go get your sister. I want to see my precious Amix one more time before I go." Oh, wow. We're like on page 7 and already. Vladimir's dying because he gave up drinking blood. And his daughter from his first marriage blames him giving up his vampire ways for his elf second wife. Maybe this is too complicated for us. I don't know. Anyway, Wisakode Winini. Mixed ancestry. Mixed Blood is available for sale at Amazon.com. And this has been your Ojibwe word of the day. Anything else I want to add? Oh, here, check this out. Just to make every other kiss fan jealous of me. See that? Eric Carr. This is a drumstick from Eric Carr. If you don't know who Eric Carr is, I should say, rest in peace. You're not really a Kiss fan. And I got no time for you. Just kidding. All right. Thank you so much. I will see you again. Giga Wabamin, Minowa. Hoa.
Giga Wabamin, Minowa. Giga Wabamin, Minowa, Michael. Ladies and gentlemen, the rock star cartoonist, Michael Lyons. Thank you so much. And how you doing, baby? Oh, I'm doing great. Bonjour, Mino Giga Jabe. Mino Giga Jabe, good morning. Mino Giga Jabe, good morning. Good morning on this beautiful Neo Gijaka, the 4th day, sweetie. The 4th day, Thursday. Thursday. Minawana Gozi, Neo Gijaka. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday, Mindy Moya Redbird. Oh, is Mindy Moya here? Yep. Mindy Moya's here. Friendship is here. Bonjour, Friendship. Bonjour, Friendship 1. And MJ is back and at work. MJ's at work. Oh, yeah. MJ is taking what they're given because she's working for a living. I've been working in a coal mine, rolling downtown. Working in a coal mine, woo! Buck out of Slip Town. Baby, ladies and gentlemen, the lovely and the talented Natasha. Get out of here. Who else is here? I guess it's just the 4 of us, 5 of us. Hoka hey. Hoka hey hey. Baby doll, what are we gonna talk about today? Well, it's Thursday. And you know what this always makes me think of? Thirsty Thursday? Yep. Noonday Minnequay, 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 noonday Minnequay. I'm thirsty. Oh wow, we're pretty good at this singing together, huh? Yeah, we are. Neen, nim. That means I or my or whatever. When you say noonday minneque, means to be thirsty. Noonday minneque, she's thirsty. I'm thirsty. Somebody better get me a drink. Do you want some coffee? You think I want to drink coffee when I'm thirsty? I need some water. Yeah, right. Yeah, no, I just want my coffee. What, it's good coffee. When you're thirsty, you say noonday minneque. Oh, I'm so thirsty. I'm going to drink some piping hot coffee. Yeah. You know, coffee is sacred to our people, sweetie. Is that right? Yeah. They have ceremonies. For some people, they have a ceremony every morning. They won't even start their day without performing the black medicine water ceremony. Yeah, huh? You know, they'll prepare it always in the same way. They have special cups just for the occasion. They call them coffee cups. And you know, noonday minneque. Oh, I'm thirsty. I have to have a drink. But back in the days of the grandfathers, Thirsty Thursday referred to the drink specials at the bars. At the old-time saloons. Yeah. When I used to frequent the saloon, the watering holes, what else would we call them? The bars, the taverns. Taverns. When I used to be a patron of taverns, I'd go down there on Thursdays and be like, yeah, 2 for 1s, fellas. You buy 1 beer, we'll give you 2. Oh, thank you. This shouldn't become a problem. So here's my wisdom, a bit of advice, kids. If somebody's offering you 2-for-1s, don't accept it. Nothing of value comes 2-for-1. You know, oh, we'll throw in a free one. Nah. You want to go get a beer? Go buy a beer. Pay for the beer. Don't be drinking an extra one just because it's free. That's how they get you. Because they know once you have 2 beers, well, now you're 2 beers in. You're much more likely to have 3 beers if you have 2 beers than you are if you only have 1 beer. Yeah, if you only have 1 beer, you're 100% only having 1 beer. Yeah, but I mean, if you start drinking, then you keep going. You know, people can quit after 1 beer. 2 beers, well, let's just get drunk. Noonday Minneque. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty for knowledge. I'm thirsty for love. Oh, get out of here. And then you can also say Nimbakere. So here's for some reason, I don't know why, when it's noonday Minneque, when it's an N, you say nin. If you're going to say bakade, hungry, I'm hungry, you got to say nim with an M. I don't know why. What did Benny say about it? I actually asked Benny once, and he goes, oh, it doesn't sound right. Nin bucket? No, it's nim. I'm like, what do you mean doesn't sound right? When I was learning Ojibwe, I had a teacher whose first language was Ojibwe. And to him, it was just like, he would just talk Ojibwe at you, and you're supposed to pick it up. He goes, no, Nimbakade. I'm like, why Nim? And he couldn't explain it, because, it doesn't sound right if you don't say Nim. Okay. But Dayekos, now it's Nin. Why? Don't know why. But just do it. That's what he said? Yeah. Don't ask why. Doesn't matter. This is how you say it. Nin Dayekos. This is a tricky word for people. In the Ojibwe spelling rules, the double vowel system, whatever, you got to remember that A's sound like It's a bucka day. It's not a bake-aid. That's how you'd read it in English. Nim bake-aid. Yeah. A's are sounding. E's are A sounding. Like in the word Ojibwe. We don't say Ojibwe. Nope. So nin, da ye, da, ye, and then O's are always long, like in, again, Ojibwe. Ko's. Nin da ye ko's. I'm tired, sweetie. Why are you so tired? It's been a long day. It's only 8 a.m. All right. Then I'm still sleepy from not having enough coffee. Well, you better have some coffee. Mokere. Mashkiki wabu. Black medicine water. This is the medicine to treat your tiredness. You know? So, and these are just a few of the words I know. Nimbakade, I'm hungry. Waita, waita, hey away. Nimbakade, waita, is how you say I'm hungry in Ojibwe. Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ho, baby, baby. The gun, the drum. She is the heartbeat of America. She's the heartbeat of Mother Earth. Oh, right, the heartbeat of Mother Earth. and the heartbeat of the hottest band in the land, Kiss. Will the nights be come and you want some fun? I don't know. I'm so sorry. I think that black medicine water is kicking in. So, hey, sweetie. Yes, my love. Yes, my reason for being. You want to take a phone call? Well, sure, I'll take a phone call. How did they get this number? I don't know. Line 2? Yep, line 2. Hello, caller. Welcome to the dignified and serious live stream podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO, and you're on the air. Oh, hello, love. It's me. It's the Queen Mum, it is. Oh, Queen of England. Sweetie, it's the Queen of England. Well, hello, Queen. How are you? Hello, love. Oh, I'm doing all right, innit? I'm up in heaven, I am. I thought I'd give you a call. I wanted to call. I'm watching a show. I'm watching the show up in heaven, I am. Oh, that's great. Well, I'm so glad to hear you made it to heaven. And so it's not disrespectful what we're doing here. That's right. What can I do for you, my Queen Mum? I was wondering if I could learn the Ojibwe word of the day. Yeah, sure. Let's see. How about let's try a new one. No, wait. Truth and love. Debwewin is truth. Debwewin, truth, ain't it? Yep, Debwewin. This is truth. And the older I get, I can't believe I'm still always coming back to this topic. I have to deprogram my brain from college. And they told me there was no truth. There was no truth. Well, that's a bunch of hogwash, isn't it? Yeah, there's obviously truth. It's not just subjective. That's subjective. No, there's truth, love. Yeah. And love, thank you for saying that. In Ojibwe, we would say, Zaga Iri Win. Zaga Iri Win, love. Oh, that's lovely, isn't it? Yeah. Zaga Iri Win. Oh, from now on, I better start calling me love Zaga Iri Win. Oh, that's great. How's everything else going for you up there in the land of everlasting happiness? Oh, it's lovely. Yesterday I went out hunting. I went out to the happy hunting grounds. You went to the happy hunting grounds? Is that real? Oh, of course it's real. Don't you know your own culture, NANABOOZHOO? Well, yeah, but I always thought that was like a TV thing when they called heaven the happy hunting grounds. Oh, no, it's true. It is the Debwewin. When you die, you come up to heaven, innit? And then you go out to the happy hunting grounds. They gave me a rifle, and I went out there and I went deer hunting. And I shot me first deer. Can you imagine, love? Yeah. Well, congratulations. I'm happy for you. You got a deer, huh? Yes, I shot me deer, and then I had to string him up. Did you put out some tobacco and thank the deer for offering himself up? That's kind of the Ojibwe way. Oh, that's right. I put out me tobacco and I said, oh, thank you, me gwetch, love. Me gwetch. Wawashakeshiwa, innit? Yeah, exactly. Wawashakeshiwa. Queen Elizabeth knows some Ojibwe. That's awesome. Yeah, so you shot a deer up in heaven at the happy hunting grounds. That's blowing my mind, Queen. Oh, it's a lovely day for hunting. I think I might have to go back and hunt a buffalo. I want to go on a buffalo hunt in the happy hunting grounds, innit? Okay. Sweetie, do you have anything you want to ask the Queen? Hey, Queen, can I ask you a question? Well, of course, love. You can ask a Queen Mom anything. What you want to know? How do you feel about Meghan Merkel? Oh, don't even mention her name. I don't even like her podcast. Archetypes, indeed. Archetypes, can you imagine? Oh, she's a rotten daughter-in-law. I'm glad I'm dead. Oh, don't say that. No, I'd much rather be dead and in heaven hunting me buffalo. I'm going to hunt me buffalo this afternoon. Can you imagine? Yeah. Listen, I better get going, Queen. I got a lot of important Ojibwe culture and whatever to teach. Okay. Well, how does one say goodbye in Ojibwe, love? Well, we don't really say goodbye. We say, I will see you again. Gigawaba men, Minowa. Well, Gigawaba man, Minowa, love. I will see you again, 'cause I'm up here in heaven, and I still watch your show, and I'll call in from time to time, tell you how I'm doing in the happy hunting grounds, innit? Well, that's great. Thank you so much for calling. I'm so happy to hear that you're killing so many animals in heaven. Oh, that's right, love. I'm gonna kill me a buffalo, I am. Okay. Gigawaba min, Minowa, Queen. Oh, Gigawaba min, love. Hikes. The Queen of England, sweetie. Oh, she sounds great. Yeah, she does. I guess I'm a little surprised to hear that she loves hunting so much. I'm surprised to hear there actually is a happy hunting ground. Yeah. I used to do a bit about how stupid the whole Indian idea of happy hunting grounds was. Yeah, I remember that. It'd be like, is the happy hunting grounds hell for the buffalo and the deer? Is that where the evil deer go? They die, they wake up, and they're in the happy hunting grounds, and now there's 1 million dead Indians hunting them. Just big smiles on their faces. Like, they die, they get their happy hunting ground rifle. Okay, go ahead, Indian, go hunting. What, you thought we were going to supply food for you up here? No, that's for the Jews. The Jews have a whole party of wine and lamb or whatever. But no, you're in the happy hunting grounds. You're in the Indian heaven. You gotta hunt for your own food. Yeah, you better go set some snares. Nah. But turns out there really is a happy hunting ground. The Queen's up there. She's going to be hunting a buffalo. What a woman. Oh, she's a role model to us all. Yep. Rest in peace, Ogamakwe. Ogamakwe. That's a queen in Ojibwe. Ogamakwe. Ogamakwe. BOOZHOO. Hey, Dr. Evils is here, sweetie. No way. What's going on? Dr. Evils, BOOZHOO, me no kick a shape. Me no kick a shape. Good morning. And today, on our very serious show, Michael, I'm glad you brought up that book. What was it called? Onyx Blood? Yeah. Onyx Blood is a book that Michael Lyons wrote. Where is it? Here we go. Onyx Blood. There's a lot of Indian people there who are the product of a mixed ancestry. They're still Indian people, but they also have ancestors from France, Germany, Norway, Ireland, what have you, Africa. And these are known as the mixed bloods, or the Wisakode Winini, the persons, the people of mixed ancestry. I guess Wisakode Winini Wug would be people. Yeah, because it's plural. Right, so this is person. Actually, a Winini means a man. This actually means mixed-blooded man. But it means women too. But on mixed blood is a children's book written on a full-on adult level, illustrated for children, and it's fun and simple. Kids understand it. But, man, Michael, you just pulled out all your English major powers when you wrote this book. Yeah, I kind of think I tried too hard. Yeah, you think? But this Halloween, we might have to do something with this book. Do you think it's a Halloween book or is it a Christmas book? You know, it could be a Christmas book in a way. Santa Claus plays a big part in this book too, but he's the bad guy. Essentially, Onyx Blood is an allegory, for you English majors out there, of the boarding school era and of being Wisakore Winini, being mixed. And instead of Indians and white people, it's vampires and elves. Vampires have white skin, elves have brown skin, so Onyx Blood has, normal skin. Hey! Oh, I'm sorry, is that racist? But then she gets sent to boarding school, and when she runs away, they send Santa Claus after her to get it. Because Santa Claus is like if you were an elf, the person you would fear most in the world would be Santa Claus. Yeah, no kidding. I can't imagine an elf wanting to live at the North Pole and have to work at the toy factory for Santa Claus. Those guys aren't indigenous to the North Pole. Where do they come from? They come from the Keebler Woods or something. That's the other funny thing about this book. What's that? Michael's elves, they're expert cookie makers. It's like you mixed up the elves from Lord of the Rings and the elves from the Keebler cookies. That's awesome. Onyx Blood is available for sale at Amazon.com, along with other books like Ojibwe Words and Phrases. Oh, this is a little book too, by the way. This is only a 5.5. Well, you saw how big it was. This is a big old 8.5 by 11. Ojibwe Words and Phrases. This is more of a coffee table book. And a good reference guide if you don't want to have to look up each individual word. You go, how do you say I'm hungry again? Well, it's in this book. Book. Why can't I say book? Minnesotans say O's weird. That's what I heard. I can't really hear it in my own voice. They say you can never hear your own accent. But whenever I've been away from Minnesota, they always make fun of how I say the word Minnesota. How do you say Minnesota? I don't know. Apparently I really drag out the O. But I don't hear it. I think I'm saying Minnesota the same way everyone says Minnesota. Minnesota. Sota? I don't know. I don't even know. Some people say I have an accent, but I can't hear it. You're the ones with the accents. No. Not even. Anyway. What else is going on today, sweetie? Well, you could take another call. Another call? I don't know if we can top getting a call from heaven from the Queen of England. Well, this is a pretty important call. This is from the Vice President of America. Oh, what's her face? Vice President Kamala Harris? Yep. Awesome. Dun, 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 dun. That's about as close to the presidential theme I can get. Anyway, Vice President Kamala Harris, welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. You're on the air. No. Okay. Nope. the Vice President of America. I know, because I do not suffer fools, Kamala. It's high time you start taking your job a little more seriously. You can't just call into my show and laugh your fool head off. This isn't the United Nations or whatever. This isn't every speech, public appearance you make. When you call my show, I expect you to behave and not just laugh. You know, they say God save the Queen. I say God save the President. If something happens to Joe Biden, that's what we get. I don't think it'd be so bad. President Harris? Yeah, can you imagine? I mean, not that Joe Biden's doing anything good, but I'm sorry, you guys. I know you're excited to hear what Kamala Harris had to say, but no, I'm not. I got to put my foot down. This is my show, sweetie. Anyway. Yeah. Where do we go from here? Now that all of our children are grown up. Baby, would you like to get up and talk to the people today? Sure, I'll go up there. What if from now on we just sing everything we say? I don't know if I could do that. I don't know if I could do that. I bet you could if we turned the show into a musical. I think that would be stupid. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay. Up next, the lovely and talented Natasha. BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO will return after these messages. Hey, if you'd like to support the show, if you'd like to support BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, you can click the links in the description box to either Patreon. On Patreon, you can give us a little bit of money every month, and we'll send you a book. PayPal, you can send us a little tip, or you can go to GoFundMe.com and help us raise money. We have a GoFundMe. Otherwise, if you'd like to order Ojibwe language books by me, Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist, you can click the links to Amazon.com and order, I've got coloring books, comic books, children's picture books, like OJIBERISH, and Dog and Manga, BOOZHOO Legitimate, many more. Click the links below. Miigwech. So you want to learn Ojibwe language and culture. You've come to the right place, need you to learn about it all. Welcome to NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO, and welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Do-do-do-do-do-do. BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO Niemann Wyndham Omanungu BOOZHOO Natasha Nindishana Cause. What else? Natasha's my name. Niemann Wyndham G-A-I-N Omanungum. I'm happy to be here today. How's it going, Mindy Moya? BOOZHOO the musical, yeah. That'd be pretty stupid, huh? Yeah. What's going on, Michael? Oh, not much. Just watching the show. You all done with your coffee there? Yep. Did you want me to make you go into the kitchen, make you some more? Nah, you can do your thing here. Okay. BOOZHOO. No, I don't work for no man. Nah. How's it going, everybody? Today, I would like to... You know what? Actually, sweetie. What's that? I think before I do anything, I need to go out and pray. You want to step outside? You want to step outside, mister? Them's are fighting words. Them's are praying words. No. Yeah, could you, would you teleport me outside? I'm going to put up my tobacco, say a little prayer. Say, go commune with nature. No, I just want to go agua ching. I want to go outside. All right, hang on. Let me scan for your coordinates. Scan for my... I'm sitting right here, silly. Okay. And that's 1 to teleport. Yep, just me. And don't move. Where am I going to go? All right. 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. No. BOOZHOO! Agua ching! Outside! I was on the outside, looking inside. Oh, BOOZHOO, Beneshiak! Hello, birds! BOOZHOO, Zabe! BOOZHOO! Oh. No, keep walking. Act like you didn't even hear Bigfoot. Too cool to stop by. Yeah! No, keep walking. I knew you would. No. You can't hear me. Anyway, okay. Let's say my tobacco. Get your money do? Great Spirit, accept my tobacco. Dapana niwi asema. Do it. No. Please help me to speak well today. Taka widuka wishin ando minawe nungum. Thank you for my life. Miigwech kaiji bamarizian. And thank you for everything that you do today. Miigwech kaiji kakina keku. Kaiji chikean nungum. Thank you for listening. Miigwech kabizandawayeg. Apeyege. Amen. And I said, hey, yeah, hey, hey, yeah. Hoka, hey, hey, yeah. What's going on in Asia? And I said, we gotta write some more songs just in Ojibwe. How do we say, Leech Lake? Zaga Squaw Jamaica. So I wrote a song about Leech Lake, how to say it in a jib way. Gazaga squadja maycog, Gazaga squadja maycog. It's fun when you sing it. Now I'm gonna bring it. Gazaga squadja maycog, Gazaga squadja maycog, Gazaga squadja maycog. Zagas. Anyway, it goes on and on. But now you know how to say Leech Lake. Gazaga squadja maycog, Nindunjaba. Nindunjaba. I am from La Puerto Rico, Minnesota. Nindunjaba. I'm from La Porte. Benakwi. Leaves falling. Benakwi. What they bugger? Leaves. Colorful leaves. Benakwi. Falling. It's Dugwagon. It's autumn again. And I can't decide if autumn feels like a beginning or the end. You know? Sometimes the changing leaves make me feel like, oh, we're coming to an end. It's the end of the year. You know. And then sometimes it makes me think of the beginning of school years or college. It makes me want to put on a backpack, listen to classical music, ride my bike to a college, have some coffee on the steps. You know, college. I don't want to read any of their books or listen to the professors anymore. And good luck getting me to write a paper for anybody. I'll never do that again. What a waste of time. But colleges were fun. And it made the autumn seem like the beginning of something. The changing leaves marks the beginning of a new school year. But sooner or later, everybody's got to graduate. Everybody's got to go sometime. And everybody's got to go sometime. I like the song, Mina Bashki Mina Sagani Batusi Chagani, says friendship. Yeah, that's my favorite one. So I wanted a piece of blueberry pie. So I went up and I asked this guy, but he only spoke Ojibwe. So I had to say, Mina Bashki Mina Sagani Batusi Chagani Bakwe Shigan. Mina Bashki Mina Sagani Batusi Chagani Bakwe Shigan. Mina Bashki Mina Sagani Batusi Chagani B'nai Shiyag. Let's hear it, B'nai Shiyag. Exactly. Mina Bashki Mina Sagani Batusi Chagani Bakwe Shigan. Yeah, baby. Anyway. Yeah, that was another one. Gimme Queen Nana. Do you remember? Gimme Queen Nana. Means do you remember? In Ojibwe I say, for do you remember? Gimme Queen Nana. Means do you remember? That song only has one note. La 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 la. That's a terrible song. Oh, how about Andi Ea Thumbi, Andi Ea Thumbi. Oh my beanie, oh my beanie. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Run away, run away. Andi aya nana boozhoo, andi aya nana boozhoo. Oh my beanie. Here's my impression of Nana Boozhoo. This is terrible. I can't do it, but Andi aya nana boozhoo, andi aya nana boozhoo. Oh my beanie, oh my beanie. No, I can't do it. Andi a ayan, nimi no aya mi gwech, gigawaba min, minawa. My impression of Nana Boozhoo. Let's see, who else can I do? This is my impression of Cookie Monster. Bakwaji gun. Bakwaji guns. Then whatever's monster in Ojibwe. I don't know what a monster would be. But Cookie goes like this.
Me love Cookie. Yeah. Cookie.
The Count.
I love to count. I am the vampire on Sesame Street.
Let's see, who else can I do? Kermit the Frog. Kermit the Frog. Hello there, children. My name is Kermit the Frog, and I live with a pretty abusive transgendered pig named Miss Piggy. She identifies as a woman, but she's neither a woman nor female. She's a pig, a male pig, and in women's clothing. Yay! So that's Kermit. Who else can I do? I do a really bad Donald Trump. Donald J. Trump. Donald J. Trump. It's a disgrace. It's an outrage. Sleepy Joe Biden. You know, Lucky Larry Silverstein. Rudy Giuliani. China. Yeah. I don't know. I'm pretty bad at that. But whatever. Boo-hoo. Hello. For today's Auntie Natasha's moment of wisdom, moment of Nabwakawan, I'd like to ask the children to gather around to listen to your elder. Today we're going to talk about Debwewin, truth, and Zaka Iriwen, love. Truth and love. I've often wondered, you know how they're always saying, oh, the Creator loves you. And they go, yeah, okay. But how do I, what, I got to take your word for it? And I never understood why they said that. And where's your evidence? The Bible? Does the Bible even say that God loves us? But then I was watching this video this morning, and the guy was talking about how we don't live on a spinning ball. He was saying that the way when the truth is not what they told us. They told us that there was no truth. They brought out Albert Einstein, and they said, this is the smartest guy in the world. The guy with the messy hair sticking his tongue out at you. He married his cousin and then left his first cousin for his second cousin. his first cousin's daughter from another guy. Albert Einstein, they don't like to talk about that, but he was a pervert and a weirdo. And he said there is no truth. Like, the truth is, you're a creep and you shouldn't marry your cousin. But he also said, no, there is no truth. Or the truth is the Big Bang and relativity. There's your truth and there's my truth. And they can take that a long ways. Well, my truth is I love the color pink. Pink is a cool color and it makes you happy and beautiful. But you could say, no, pink is a terrible color, clashes with everything. And we'd say, well, we're going to have to agree to disagree. There is no truth. Your truth is valid. My truth, whatever. But you're either living on a spinning ball or you're not. You can't have it both ways. So they say that there's no creator to love you or not. They say there's just a Big Bang. And the Big Bang created everything. And they say the law of thermodynamics. No, the law of entropy. Entropy. When something breaks apart, blows up, things tend to get more scattered, more chaotic. Things don't generally group together and create themselves. If you smash a glass on the ground, in a million years, those glass shards aren't going to somehow recreate the glass. If anything, they're going to become even more chaotic, more separated, more entropy. They'll break apart more. But they said, so then the Einstein people came up with gravity. And they said, well, yeah, everything blew up. But gravity made stuff come together and create perfect spheres, like the moon. Which I'll get to in a second, too. The moon's not a ball, any more than we're a ball. But they said, oh no, the gravity made everything spin together and then form back into rocks. And then these rocks would spin and eventually form water. And eventually form plant life. And eventually form animal life. And eventually form you and me. And even people who want to believe in God, who say they believe in God, a creator, they say, well, yeah, but I also believe we live on a spinning ball that was created out of evolution, evolve. Well, it's weird that in the word evolution, it's the backwards of love. They want to have it both ways. Oh, evolution, they have the colored word say love backwards. Well, that's because it's like the backwards truth, and it's the backwards love. I finally understood that we're loved because there's no way that the human eye would have randomly adjusted to its survival and form itself out of chaos that the Big Bang theory model would suggest. Gravity didn't just make the eyeball come together and then be able to interpret light into shapes and, let you see the physical reality, truth of existence, So if it didn't, nothing was created by an explosion and evolution. Nothing evolves. That's the other thing. We go, no, we're evolved from animals. No, we aren't. If evolution was real, we should be evolved to be able to stand out in the sun all day instead of burning. And we should have evolved to have fur so we don't die in the winter. The way things are, if we don't have houses and clothing and electricity and all this stuff, just being outside would kill us. We didn't evolve to adapt to our survival of our environment. We had to build houses because our bodies didn't evolve. Did not need houses and clothes. So that means you were actually created. Somebody created your eyes and your ears and your fingers and your mouth and your brain and your heart. Everything. That means there was an artist, an architect, a creator who made you and then made your environment to live in. Somebody created you to live and then created a place to live with intention. That's what love is. Somebody gave you sight and hearing and taste and love and trees and everything. Somebody gave you everything. That's how you know the Creator loves you. And that's the Naboohoo of the day. For more of Auntie Natasha's Naboohoo, Auntie Natasha's truth, or what is it, wisdom, Naboohoo, I don't know, come back tomorrow. And that's what I don't know. I just stumbled across that. I wanted to mention it. Naboohoo, truth, Zaga Edie Win, love. So the truth is, we're not living on a spinning ball. You know, you can't believe part of their nonsense lies and not, or you can't totally understand. Well, no, okay, so they lied about gravity. There's no such thing. They lied about the Big Bang. They're not just wrong. They're just made up a stupid story that doesn't hold any truth. Well, there's a million ways you can prove just that their story's wrong. And so what are you left with? You look around and you, okay, well, there's the sun. And during a lunar eclipse, the moon proves to be the exact same size. And they're not balls. I mean, the sun looks like a big ball of light. I don't know what the sun is. But the moon is not a ball. When you light up a ball, you can't light up the whole side of a ball evenly like a full moon. Do an experiment. Get a flashlight and a cue ball. You know, they've told us stuff that we gotta kind of not believe our own eyes. Oh, how about this? The lunar eclipse. When there's a shadow that's smaller than the... You can't make a shadow be smaller than the object. There's no way in nature, you can't do an experiment where you light up the back of something and the shadow is going to be smaller than the thing. But when they talk about lunar eclipses and they say the moon shadow is 78 miles wide, they go, well, this is called the umbra. You can believe us. We're the scientists. We're the ones who came up with the hilariously bad story of the Big Bang. And all the stupid Star Trek nonsense logic that goes into gravity and all that. Friendship says, so gravity is my creator. No, you don't understand. Gravity is your deceiver. Get your Monadoo is your creator. I guess. Somebody created us anyway. There was a creator. That's all I'm saying. You hear me? Get your Monadoo. I'm wise to you. I figured it out. You made me. So thanks for that. I gotta get back. What am I doing? Boop, boop, boop. Beep, beep.
Bonjour.
Hi, sweetie.
Oh, hi, honey. You ready to come home?
Yeah, can you pick me up?
You got it.
Hang on, I'm going to scan for your coordinates. All right. 1 to teleport. Make it so. Number uno. Number uno. Number Beijing. Okay. So here we are, drifting on an open sea. Here we are, it's time to go again. It's time to Mahjong, matcha, to leave. Okay. Gigawabamin, Gigawabamin, Mina Waha. Huh, Michael? That's right. Ladies and gentlemen, rockstar cartoonist extraordinaire, Michael Lyons. Did you want to add anything before I land the plane? No, you did a great job, though. All right, thanks. What about you, good looking? No, that's good. All right. In that case, hey, everybody. Just want to say, miigwech, gabizendawiyeg, dash miigwech, ganawabiyeg. Thank you for listening, and thank you for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, baby, baby, yeah. BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Natasha. This over here is NANABOOZHOO. Okay, miigwech. This over here is Michael Lyons. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow. And I will see you again. Minawa. Gigawa. Wait, here we go. Gigawabamin. Minawa. I will see you again. Sweetie. That's right.